Unang aibut ketenat pulih putih ke Sarkar Meghalaya ubah Himalaya Moktan Shangpliang uli itu bergejala kedenkam saar sepatli ki Center Bantu Eksamen na kebenta ki Samla ki bedenkam bantu ke eksamen QED undergraduate. Dag bakado bakane kampe ke jing bakla ketenat pulih putih ke Sarkar Meghalaya namar ki Samla pulih ki apply online bagi ojing tip ru online halor ke center kaba ki David Tho. Ubah Shangpliang uli itu bau director ketenat pulih putih udang penkre akakai pot bagi Sarkar kadang donkam saar sepatli ki center hak jela kenang bagi kena kenyok bantu ya ke eksamen QED hak jela lejong. Ula kuburu bagajela kadang duna bon kini kijing non kam hak bedai bak kajing penlong ke eksamen QED. Mereka Sarkar kan terishtom menpendap yakini. Bakum bakalong mentah kini QED Examination Center kidai hatura Shillong bat Jowai.
Ketika CUET exam ni sa sisin yang kisamla kila amat kata kacing teka ika pelong yang Sarkar pa kamsin ni teki senjam kapor bakadang biang kapor.
Ngatharai ngan pensyai dekum ni bakam dade ka jing bakla na kalian ke Sarkar jungi. Ya kani lale na ka NTA na ka National Test Authority ba ya kani ki kila ya rai bet number ki kena samla jungi ki apply online dan dala de apply online nangtai na Delhi ki pentip ru online syakini ki kena samla but ya ka center ru ki kena ki ladep jit lupa bangi ngin late tho kata don ki kena ki bangat apo ke jela jungi don ki kena ki bangat sabar ke jela jungi kadau kalong ba kumbang ilayo ya ke jing percay na u Minister Education menin bat kumjo da ke jing buddin lem jong u Chief Minister jongi u Konrad Sangma bat u Union Minister o Dharmendra Pradhan nilayo ya ke jing percay ba kadai ke jing duna jong ki exam centers hapo ke jelajungi te ke jing kentu yakini ki khun samla ki belayo ya kita ki center Shabar jong ke jela kabangat tarekan salong hadien shita yo tam nang ni hapo mentaka singi janmiet ka NTA kelapan ka report na ke jelajungi ba kanotli ki center ngila bangin set up immediately tementa u director jongka education udang penkre ya kita ki center ngatrai ngi don kampalat arspa teli ki center hapo ke jelajungi ban yo ban accommodate ya kini ki khon samlajungi but ngasu kwa ban ong tangkum ni ba kini ki khon samlajungi nam tharai ki don kam let shu Shabar namar ba ya ka report on penpoi sa Delhi menda ka janmiet halor kita ka jingdon jong kita ke center bang nginget ngin yo hi kumba chispa tam ki center hapo ka jelajungi ban ngin da yo ek tik center kini ki khon samlajungi kin sa yo ek jing pentip biang haki ba ki kin let ban tho exam haki center within Meghalaya de kajing tentu nak liang jongi ya ka Sarkar kami kalong ba ngide ban yo ek jingirap marmar ban yo ban set up ya khambun shu ek center namar ki center kimlong kum ki exam center ki balong normal centers ki ban long ki center ki badon kat bat ka computer badon internet facilities te mentang ya wat ya kum kita ki jaka ki bad bon ba ki computer but badon provided with internet facilities. They yang ta menta janmiet hi ngin penpoi ka report sa Delhi but let's say hapo asing laisi ka NTA kan sa pentip directly yakini ki kena samla ki ba yakun yakini exam ba lapan kala ya ka center jongki.
Halor ke jing ka bagi samla ki bhab bantu ke eksamen QED ban beteng ya ke jing puri hakikatan ke bakam shalor. Nakaliang Menteri Ketenat Pulih Putih urakam sangma uliatho bagi jingmi kini ke jing ke dai namar baka National Testing Agency kam shimla pentep ya ke Sarkar jela. Habakran gila patai kubor urakam sangma hakakat artarik jemang arhajar arpusan. Ulang bahalor kania nakaliang Menteri Rangba Konrad Kongkal sangma ulashim kya bani kendo badu Menteri Ketenat Pulih Putih ke Sarkar Pedang Hadali. Kumta ke NTA kalap hak dia ke Sarkar jela nak bentaban itu shosho ya ki center bantu eksamen QED hak jela bar ketenat kerang le akan menta. Uli tu bagi officer ke NTA kin sawan cakap jela banjurip ini center bat ketenat keledat to cakap sokar pedang bagin penjelan cuai kitarik nak bentar bentar eksamen. Namar kani kan cimpor ar nilai sngi kum tadang haban ab ik kemen mi nakani. Menteri Ulong Ru ba kajing mametri lang ke NTA ba sarkar jela kawara jing ek samla pulia namar hagajing shisha ke NTA ke dibentuk yu nodal officer hagajela. Baklari ban pentip bai ke sarkar jela kenang ba ketenat kan yo ban penbit penbiang ya baro kijing don kam.
But because NTA don't communicate to us, but the latest development is NTA has communicated with the state government to identify 200 computer more having all the facility. So we have identified those, and we have identified the infrastructure, and we have communicated to the NTA, and they are coming tomorrow to inspect whether they fulfill the criteria of that.
Sir,
It is not about the state or the center, but it is clear those colleges affiliated to the central university, they have to undergo this examination. That's all, simple as simple. So look, on this issue, our Honorable Chief Minister has taken up the matter at the highest level. Our Honorable Chief Minister had met Honorable Union Minister of Education, Government of India yesterday, and he praised the issue, and like this can be delayed because exam is being listed tomorrow. The problem is NTA did not communicate to the state government because they directly communicate one day or 2 days before the exam schedule. So this is a problem. So exam start tomorrow. Some of the students has already left for the exam for a different location. So we can do anything on that. So, but however, after the taking up the matter by Honorable Chief Minister in Delhi yesterday, so the NTA contacted the state government for identifying the more computer center, and we are on the job. So I think they will come for inspection. The TCS Tata Center, they are coming tomorrow or day after, and I think that the process will take maybe 1 day or 2 days time. So after that, I think and we are also writing another letter by now only that to defer those students who are not immediate, that means by tomorrow or day after, so to defer their exam. So I think so let's see what outcome from tomorrow and day after, because the NTA, they have sending the team for inspection about the center that we have identified more.